run into our boat. We've been for 3 weeks on hard because Eric just texted me they finally put in engines in, and it's super exciting. I really want my boat to be in water. I want to be living in my house.
Well, we finally decided to replace the engines, as I mentioned earlier. These old engines were about 26 years old, so I think they are about due. We replaced them with newer Volvo Penta D250s. The old ones were 40 horsepower, but Volvo doesn't make 40s anymore. It's either 30 or 50, so with a couple small fiberglass modifications, we were able to get the 50s in there.
I can't look away from those brown eyes. And if we settle down, we don't have to settle down. Please don't be afraid of all the things that could go wrong. We can take our time and we may change our mind. But I can tell a good thing when a good thing comes along. Darling, tell me all about the dreams you had last night. You can be so.
We've been on a hard over 3 weeks. Our engine's finally in. It's still not working because there's parts missing that needs to be attached so we can move. We're not mobile yet, but they're about to lift us up, paint parts that our boat was resting on, and then I think they're gonna move us to a different spot on a hard still, and then probably on Friday or Saturday we're gonna go in the water in like 2 days. We're gonna go in the water and they'll have to push us in with the dinghies because our engines are not gonna be working yet. So I think it's step 3 out of 100, which is good. It's still progress, but I wish we were in the water like 2 weeks ago, but that's all right. We're getting there. Actually, we've been 4 weeks out of the water. Yeah, I was thinking of it. Oh well. Hopefully it will be soon. All right, primer's on, and they're finishing up painting now. Okay, we might be getting the water.
Please don't be afraid of all the things that could go wrong. We could take our time, we may change our mind. But I can tell a good thing when a good.
Here's Grandpa. Grandpa's here. Hi.
Hi, sweetie.
Welcome.
How you doing, babe? Nice evening for a swim. You're damn near as tall as me. Oh my goodness gracious. Wow.
Today is Saturday. It's our last day, full day and full night at the marina, and tomorrow we're planning on going to Anchorage because early Monday morning, probably like 4 o'clock, we're supposed to start crossing the canal unless they're gonna push us back. So today we're taking Grandpa to Fort.
Vandalism is not right. No, no, no. Illegal. This is my grandfather. We are going to Fort San Lorenzo. Are you excited?
I am.
Very excited.
Not that excited.
I'm not that excited. But vandalism is a no-no.
Because you've been there already.
Because I've been vandalizing stuff? Of course.
Well, we spend the day taking Grandpa to Fort San Lorenzo at the entrance to the Chagres River. The original gold route discovered by Christopher Columbus in the 16th century. Tons of history, including Henry Morgan, pirates, buccaneers, lots of gold moving in Spain.
Asking yourself, what can I do to help out somehow? Well, that's a start. But watchers don't do, and doers don't watch. So let's get to it. Let's get it done. You step it up a notch.
morning, and today's the day we're gonna cross the Panama Canal. We're gonna meet our advisor at 5 a.m. We're gonna leave dock probably in about 30 minutes. We decided not to anchor night before. We decided to stay one more night at the dock, and we're gonna start our journey on the Pacific side.
Well, we pick up our advisor and begin our one-day transit from the Atlantic Ocean to the Pacific via the Panama Canal.
Past the bridge, watching the sunrise, just heard the howling monkeys, and waiting for monohull to raft up to Waliba because they're going to be in the middle and we're going to be on the other side of them.
If you guys weren't in the middle, who was going to do the lines?
Daryl, Paige.
What if Daryl wasn't here? Would it be you?
Logan, you leave him.
He's sleeping.
He's sleeping.
Yeah, we don't need him. He's a nuisance.
He's a bum. He's a lazy bum. Still in bed like a
Yeah,
bum.
it looks like he was a mess. It looks like it was.
We're wrapped up with our friends.
How you doing, Grandpa?
Hi, sweetheart. How are you? Quite an exciting morning, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Ve recogiéndome la popa, hermano, ahí.
What do you think?
Estaba saliendo, güey.
How's it going?
Good so far. It's a little dark and very windy this morning on the Atlantic side, but much calmer in here. It should be even calmer on the Pacific side, but we're good.
Yeah. It's going.
It is going. But yeah, it was dark and very windy this morning. 25 knots. Trying to do all this in the dark is stressful, but
And worth it.
much calmer now.
It's pretty close. There's Pacific side first lock. Here's my baby. And then Waliba by themselves. And the next set of lock is over there, and it's gonna be our last one.
We just did like a 3-4 hour motor across the lake in the canal, and now we're in the next set of locks, which I'm pretty sure is the second to last set of locks.
Welcome back, YouTube. Today we are in the Panama Canal. That's the whole view. Not much, but there's some big ships. And we're on the last chamber of all of the locks, and we're about to be a Pacific sailors now. Everything's bigger, and everything's bigger. And this is my grandfather. Say hello.
Hello.
Yeah, and that's about it. We got the Amigos in front, and we got cargo ship in the back with the Coral Princess and some other friends up there. Giving a good wave. Nobody waved back. Oh, one person. Oh, 3 people. I did it. I'm a celebrity now.
It's worldwide. Let's do it. Bye.
Bye, Juanita. Guys, we did it.
Miss Worldwide.
We in the Pacific Ocean.
Oh, Miss Worldwide.
It's a cool.
Well, we make it all the way through the canal and end up on the Pacific Ocean. We gather all of our lines and fenders and drop them off to the ferrymen and go set up shop at a marina on the Pacific side for a few days before we prepare to cross the Pacific Ocean to the French Polynesia.
So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. I can't believe you love me.
Thanks for watching, and join us next week as we make final preparations to cross the Pacific Ocean.
Still can't believe you love me. I hope it never ends. Let's be more than friends.